Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna do a brow tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how I make my brows look fuller in the most natural way. Also, I will be showing you how my brows used to look a few years ago. When I see it, I'm kind of shocked, to be honest. So this is how my brows used to look. I feel like they're a little bit shorter, and this is how I used to fill them in. Like, that's totally different compared to how I do it now. But I wanted to show you because I thought it was kind of funny. So before I do my brows, I always start with applying a little bit of concealer around my eye area because I do always have some redness in this area and also underneath my brow. So I want my brow to look super clean. After I blend that in, I always brush my hairs up, and then I go in with the brow pen from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color medium brown, which has a super precise point, and with this I can create kind of like those tiny fake hair strokes. Now you do have to have like a really steady hand with this, so take your time if you're doing this. And my camera decided to go out of focus, super annoying. It always happens when I do one side of my brow, I think because my hand is kind of like blocking the view. But yeah, really take your time with this. Just create hair strokes on all the places where you kind of like see some gaps and where you want more hairs, basically. I feel like it's the most easiest way, even though you do have to have like a steady hand, so in that way it's not really easy. But I feel like you can just look at your brow and feel like, okay, I need some hairs there, I need some hairs there, and then when you're done with this, you blend it out with a eyebrow spoolie and you're done. I feel like it's so easy and it will give you a super natural finish. So I always like to start at the tail of my brow and I just kind of like fill in the empty spaces. I feel like I don't have like a lot of hairs at the tail of my brow, so I always try to create the illusion that my brows are a little bit like taller or wider. I don't even know how you say that. And then in the middle I have some gaps, and then at the beginning I also have some gaps. For the rest, I do feel like my brows are quite full, especially when I compare it to a few years ago. They definitely have grown a lot. And if you need like a tip from me, you can use some castor oil. That really works. It will make your brows a little bit thicker, and this will give you the illusion that you have like fuller brows. It really works and it's not even that expensive, so let me know if you tried it. So after that, I brush my hairs, and this will kind of soften the lines that I created. It will just make it look more soft and natural. Then after I brush my brows, I see where I still feel like I need some fake hair strokes. And then after that, I will brush it again. And you can just repeat this as often as you like. I most of the time do it like twice, but it doesn't even come that precise because, you know, no brow is perfect. So if you do have some spaces where there's no hair, like it doesn't even look weird. But yeah, this is my way of doing my brows, and I know you guys really compliment me on my brows very often. I really appreciate that. I feel like my brows have never looked so natural before. I used to fill them in with product like brow powder or like dip brow, but now I'm just really more into that natural full looking brow. I just really like how it looks. So then I went in with the clear brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's just a transparent brow gel. Sometimes I use a brow gel which has a tint, so it kind of makes my brows look darker, but it just depends on my mood. Today I wanted to go for like a clear brow gel to make it look more natural, but of course this is totally up to you. So this is the before, and then here you can see the after. So it just looks super natural. It just looks fuller. Like, I feel like you wouldn't really necessarily say that I have like a brow product on my brow. You can't really see like what I used unless you know. So yeah, I really hope this video was helpful. I have done a few like similar videos, but like I like to do like an updated brow tutorial once in a while to keep you guys updated. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what are your favorite brow products. How do you like to fill in your brows? I would love to know, and I just want to say thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't